Praise to the Lord, the Almighty, the King of creation. All my soul praise Him, for He is the health and salvation. All ye who hear, now to His temple draw near. Join me in glad adoration. Praise to the Lord, who o'er all things so wondrously reigneth. Shelters thee under His wings, yea, so gently sustaineth. Hast thou not seen how thy desires have been granted in what He ordaineth? Praise to the Lord, who doth prosper in works and defend thee. Surely His goodness and mercy will daily attend thee. Anew, what the Almighty can do, if with His love He befriend thee. Praise to the Lord, oh, let all that is in me adore Him. All that hath life and breath, come now with praises